guys, it's Ranked here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to change the color of Google. By looking at the picture of the video, you can tell Google doesn't look normal, and that nice color of red is not from Google Play Store. You don't even need Google Play Store. It doesn't cost money. It's completely free. So while you're doing it, start searching in your stuff. For example, like I don't know, like wood or Google. In Google, you can figure out how to change the color to a nice color. So what you do is you click Control Shift J, and it opens up this tab. You go over and click Elements, and then you go down to this. You click that little white box, and then you click right here, and then there's red. If you want to have another color other than red, just move it over a little bit. It can be any color you want it to be, and it can be green to light blue to dark blue to even purple, and then it goes to pink. There's pink too, and then back to red. And you guys might be saying, oh, this could be, what if I want to get rid of this? Well, if you don't want any of this, you can easily put the color back to white on there, or open up a new tab, because this isn't permanent. So when your friends come over and you want to make it to look cool, you can quickly change the color to your favorite color, like this, and your friends would be like, whoa, how did you do that? Thinking it looks really cool. Then you can show them how to do it. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, you want me to do more, please hit the like button and subscribe. But don't forget to hit that little bell so you know when my next videos come out. But also, leave a comment down below if you want to see me do something. But anyways, guys, Rank out.